Good morning, students. So today we will do some numericals of the chapters parts and wholes, that means fractions. Okay, this is a new, we will do today addition and the lowest term. Now what is the meaning of this? Let's start. The first question is, write the fraction in their lowest terms. Okay, again I'm telling, write the fraction in their lowest terms. 4 by 12, number A, number B 9 by 24, and number C 36 by 63. Now what is the meaning of lowest terms? So let's do the sum. So first one is 4 by 12. I am doing it on the next page, okay? So number 1A, it's 4 by 12. You have to do in the lowest terms. Lowest terms means you have to cancel the number. Cancellation. Now 4 and 12, you have to cancel with the same number. So see, with 4 and 12, you can cancel with 2. So here 2 2s are 4. And if you cancel 12 with 2, we'll get 6. 2 6 are 12. This way. Again 2 and 6 we can cancel with 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So this is the lowest term. Your answer is 1 by 3. Okay. So the lowest term of 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. And remember one thing. Both numerator and denominator you have to cancel with the same number. Suppose for example I am cancelling the numerator with 2 and the denominator with 3. It's wrong. Okay, if I'm cancelling the numerator with 5, then the same number 5, I have to cancel the denominator also. So here see, in both numerator and denominator, I have cancelled with 2. So first time it is coming 2 by 6. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now this one is the lowest term, 1 by 3. Okay, so number B question, 9 by 24. This one. Okay, this one we can cancel with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. Now this one we cannot cancel, 3 and 8. So this is the lowest term, 3 by 8. Okay. Number C, we have 36 by 63. This one we have to do. Now this number we can cancel with 3. Both numerator and denominator. So 3 if you cancel, it will come 12. And this one 63, if you cancel with 3, it will come 3 2s are 6, 21. 12 by 21. Again 12 and 21 we can cancel with 3. So if you cancel with 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. Now 4 and 7 we cannot cancel. This is the lowest term. So your answer is 4 by 7. So this is the way you have to cancel. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's go to the addition. This is the most important part. How to add the fractional numbers. So first question is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. How to do this? So the first technique is you have to find the LCM of the denominator. Listen very carefully. You have to find the LCM of the denominator, 3 and 6. So let's find out. 3 and 6 LCM. This is a division method. So 3, 1 3 is a 3, 3 2 is a 6. So your LCM will be 3 into 1 into 2, 6. So your LCM is coming 6. So write down here 6. Again I am telling you have to find the LCM of the denominator. Now what is the technique? Listen very carefully. This 3 and this 6 you have to divide. And whatever the answer will come, you have to multiply with the numerator. So let's divide first. 6 divide 3, how much? 6 divide 3 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. So you have to write down here 4. Plus. Again this and this you have to divide. You have to divide the denominator and whatever the answer will come, you have to multiply with the numerator. So 6 divided 6 is how much? 6 divided 6 is 1 and 1 into 1 is 1. Now you can easily add 4 plus 1, 5 by 6. So if you add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6, your answer is coming 4 by 6. Okay, sorry, 5 by 6. The answer is coming 5 by 6. So next one, 3 by 8 plus 3 by 12. Again the same technique. First you have to find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 12. Let's find out first. So 8 and 12 with 2, 4 2s are 8 and 6 2s are 12. Again 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So your LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is coming 24. Your LCM is coming 24. So let's write down here. Write down 24 first. Now again the same technique. What we'll do? This 8 and this 24 you will divide. So how much? 24 divide 8, how much? 24 divide 8 is 3, because 8 3s are 24. And that 3 you have to multiply with the numerator. So 3 3s are 9. Plus. Again divide this one. 24 and 12. So 24 divide 12 is 2. 24 divide 12 is 2, and 2 into 3, 6. Now what is the answer? 9 plus 6, 15 by 24. Answer is coming 15 by 24. Now see, this answer we can also cancel. We have to write down in the simplest form. With 3 we can cancel. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. So your answer is 5 by 8. So after finding the answer, you have to see whether it gets cancelled or not. See the previous answer, 5 by 6. Oh, we cannot cancel. This is the simplest form. We cannot cancel, so our answer is 5 by 6. But here, after addition, your answer is coming 15 by 24. This one you can cancel with 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Your answer is 5 by 8. Again, I am telling with the same number you have to cancel, numerator and denominator. Okay, one more. These are given in mixed fractions. So you know I have already told in the previous video how to write this one. First you have to multiply this 2, and with the answer you have to add 1. So how much it's coming? 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 1 9. So this one is 9 by 2 plus this one how much? 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 7. This 7 by 2 plus, and this one is 1 by 4. So first you have to write the mixed fractions in improper form. How it's coming? 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2. This one 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Now again you have to find out the LCM. 2 2 4. Let's see. So 2 2 and 4. So what is the LCM? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Your LCM will come 2 into 2, 4. No need to multiply 1, because if you multiply 1, same thing will come. So LCM is coming 4. Okay, so write down 4 here. 4. Now first you have to divide this one. This 2 and this 4 you have to divide. And with the answer you have to multiply 9. So 4 divide 2 how much? 4 divide 2 is 2, and 2 into 9, 18. Plus, again this 2 you divide with 4. How much? 4 divide 2, again 2, and 2 into 7, 14. Plus, now this 4 and this 4 you will divide. 4 divide 4 how much? 4 divide 4 1, and 1 into 1, 1. Now you add. 18 plus 14 is 32, and 32 plus 1 is 33. So your answer will come 33 by 4. Okay, your answer is coming 33 by 4, and you cannot cancel this one. So this is your answer, 33 by 4. So I hope all the solutions are clear to you. So once again you go through the video and especially see the addition. Addition and subtraction are same. If you can do addition, you can do subtraction also. And with 3 numbers, 4 numbers, with any numbers you can do. Okay? And this one is the simplest form. Simplest form is easy. So today up to this much. Thank you.